Mortgage pre-approval is when a lender looks at your specific financial situation. They decide how much they're willing to lend you to buy a home. It's a first step and gives you a clear idea of your budget before you go out and start looking at houses. Pre-approval shows sellers that you're serious and you're a qualified buyer. It gives you an incredible edge, especially in a competitive market. Sellers are much more likely to accept an offer if you're providing them with this pre-approval. Pre-approval is proof that you can get financing. It reassures sellers that there's not going to be a bunch of delays when it comes to financing to purchase their home. Again, this makes your offer stand out against others that you might be competing against. First, you're going to need to gather some financial information. Think tax returns, bank statements, and pay stubs. Once you connect with a lender, you're also going to need to start filling out their pre-approval application. They'll review your credit score, your income, and any debt that you might have. This is going to help them decide how much they'll allow you to borrow. Getting pre-approved is incredibly important and definitely one of the most strategic things you can do early on in the process to buy a home. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out or check out my website. Link is down below.